And Abu Declan Rice, Juma de no mood no. Mamen ka de wo mu nyina nche etie fo ne ahwefo no mo nte ase. Said the Declan Rice situation is it. Arsenal de 75 plus 15 ko 90 to said the Man City dia be ya. But Arsenal no 75-15 but they can't change say 4 installment no mo pese o mo twia no. Then ebeko ani mu kra na 5 installment plus bonus is 15 net that one.
Yes.
But Manchester City 80 plus 10 no mo de aba no. City at 10 million add-ons no. When Manchester City wins the PL or the Champions League.
Omo G Premier League na
champion. And only a realistic target and West Ham because omo GD say City the PL and Champions League they move. Omo sabe ka omo add-ons. But the West Ham asabo atwatwe ni biam say City 80 no omo de buy no. Said the verbally omo can say e betwa in 2 installments no. Ente sa. City the 80 ni buy ni City reso betwa in 3 installments or 4. Ana oblemu City bebrenya ye because City attention so Vardiol so and they are paying more than 90 million euros for Vardiol and still money lives gidin komo. It is a omuye lose for Declan Rice side. Etria within 2 seasons now. Emma West Ham for the team now Abu Dhabi. Leipzig for so beju no mo so aka cho mo say yes Vardiol sika no. Ye mpene se mo 33 mo so mo fe sika mai.
Ane na adane asem no.
The consequence of the market, yenti ase yi, uyi bibia and be portray how next team ebe fa so treat you. It will deal no I very careful. Arsenal so anfa third bid na anko. Omo twem ma City dey call because omo pese omo hunu the West Ham be ye. Ansa na omo so the bid be call with the head. Omo dey akọ. Samre na ya bo 90 agu no Arsenal te one man adwe be say, "Hey, ene ba bia duru there. Me call third one dey a." This me dey 90 and 95. Because 19 days so my platon this is 95 and 100 na dey. Echo from your TTM say Arsenal will bid closer to 100 million. Now 100 million no be bid closer to it no. Arsenal here any move so no be bid 85 million pounds plus 15 million pounds, which making the 100 no. And now some go with 90 plus 10. West Ham the only also open by 2025 for also what me three as Canada do na day. And so in 2 installments, which means 2023-2024 fiscal year no. Then 2024-2025 fiscal year. And now 2 teams in any abre. And Manchester City sees a 3-in-1 player in Declan Rice. Can you say Manchester City wouldn't go in all for City going for a player and also turn 100. I've learned something from the Jack Grealish deal. Assassin na mentia said the entire City and bring a Jack Grealish 100 million there then. But you look at the importance of Jack Grealish in the second season now you understand the entire City 300 million for him.
Oh, okay.
He is not giving you the numbers and assists Dudona. But Jack Grealish is one of the most influential players in the City setup. Who you listen to? Declan Rice no dina on saying or a 3-in-1 player. Abu Declan Rice bet me abo as a centre back. Declan Rice bet me abo as a defensive midfielder. And Declan Rice bet me as a swap ball as a box to box and a central midfielder in a midfield role. What's the West Ham here? Some people with a double pivot Sushek. Ebejina Declan Rice be box to box. Don't babo pakweta no. O ma mo Sushek no. Declan Rice in the City. Na pakweta na a box to box. Down mo center backs anyone Declan Rice no ba center back. No ma be shame no more as the right center back. Oko with a 3-back system, especially if City decides to go with a 3-2-4-1 now. Wait, any Rodri never bought a double pivot.
Now that we know so Omunya sign I be more or less like John Stone Jumano.
John Stone said Jumano no babe.
Hey, City for super do fudia power. Now is only a sign person be Champions League no. Ah na supposed to we mu club boy about the bre. Oza the way be ka. And and what's the deal Ateta here? Ateta also wants to play like how City ball. Yes.
It's the movies the check in the bar midfield. And I'm sure next season he has hopes. So when you Declan Rice, will bet him about 3 back. When you Declan Rice or Sabo 4 back, will bet him stability in the 4-2-3-1. When you Declan Rice, you become so much. This particular type of players makes you flexible in terms of system and formation. It will bet him as a Sanabo 4-3-3. Ubetima as a Sanabo 4-2-3-1. Ubetima as a Sanabo 4-4-2. Because these players will give you the option. And I'm a Declan Rice prize, you know. Agent to say, Babu, this is a player who has been providing ratings not less than 7.4 and 7.5 more. Even playing for West Ham. And it shows you the quality. Me and Sam come back to the qualities. We've already discussed that. I say, you can get the videos on YouTube and enjoy it. The NTR, but 2 years ago, we road free the Premier League more. Declan Rice in the world. The numbers are there. And the numbers doesn't lie. Yes. Abu to omo mienu no omo de akoya boni na to agunti atwa obi a third bid. City de atwa na second bid. then you train Arsenal third bid for Declan Rice. By City, go back to Vardiol, some more concentrate. Lucas Hernandez. On the Abrante we Nankasa, the team referred Bayern Munich 50 million euros. And the amount. But Abrante we catch almost there. Be 50 million euros there. It was through too much. Omaka Masisia Paris Saint-Germain. Any Bayern Munich agree on less than 50 million euros no. Abu, personal terms is not a problem. Do no 85% done. Say Lucas Hernandez eba kusi akan e de ama Paris Saint-Germain next season. Bro 45 million euros. Scanner PSG de beton bro 45 million euros. All kono we left-footed centre back. But they can be say we Bayern Munich team now. As omo yanya issue with Matthias De Ligt no payment kind of partnership no. Omo me na right. It will Champions League against Manchester City no mo bre pa. Omo bre pa so they will need a left-footed intina no mo person tena no. Omo ni bra no ma bring nyina na say on tena no because of that. It's Alaba and na boss that particular left-footed center but na Lucas Hernandez by Prentino and I say Alaba no so call and we say so bad because so they will need a replacement in that particular position. Omo yanli pa in that particular position are Pau Torres.
Another fine player.
Omo Remo Villarreal and Villarreal will edin komo. Abante we nankasa release clause. 55.8 million pounds. I can 1 year. I want the contract so. Buying G 2 years so more than 34 million pounds kwa umbe jawa na amana day. Amanaba because of 1 year na aka woni deal so. But buying the years ade no omo obi na mu ho. Wan ya Aston Villa.
Aston Villa so akon.
Unai Emery and Tamano Villarreal one of the players are not penals in Payadi. And no person didn't back Aston Villa because next season they'll be playing in Europe. Oh yeah, this level of experience. Tyrone Mings were here. Diego Carlos were here. All of these players were Babu. Would be at the standard of Pau Torres from the national team to Villarreal in the Champions League in the Spanish League and way was through as a left-footed centre back. It will not be but the competition is there. More have Bayern Munich see we no have Aston Villa see one me say. The only way I'm who's a Pau Torres back see a kind of Aston Villa a true na Emery. Ono pe and I'm who so bit the magic for Pau Torres to go there. But in case of anything, Bayern Munich when so between 34 million pounds. No more dia fa brand to Amanaka Xavi Simons. One of the best young talents on PSV no. Now me can say PSV o pick up on top players. When Angasa Golden Boy Awards na top 10 now.
Xavi Simons yo boni dia na kan Barcelona dia bata. Aka Barcelona for Xavi Simons.
Yes, Barcelona for and this season
I am Chroma mama ya so agba di o.
And boy we Angasa wo di bibia to nchen ya. Oye a player with top potential.
Oh no crepa.
And last season for PSV, Abu, so multi title be under Ruud van Nistelrooy. He was a crucial part of the team.
Yes.
And the money more cost 3 years. But the issue here say Arsenal at the we say omunya Declan Rice munyo mo targets ni we akomunya akombe fa ball we say na nkomo omo de na pass it through. Because now no o try ma Xavi Simons stage bi a waso betimi ahye. Price a wo pɛ no na hwa no wanya. But the biggest issue here say there is a buyback clause on the contract. My brother, free Paris Saint-Germain, I PSV. Say PSG here now. PSG will only need to pay 6 million euros.
6 million.
6 million euros.
Hey.
PSG here, boy, they will only need to pay 6 million euros. On the Fabrante we. And also, I share already have Paris Saint-Germain. On the new project this year, as a person more 1 year more PSV, and why stacked in between. But me 2 years said this is a player who is not ready for PSG. Ontena. No more 1 year. Oh PSV and Hovin Sasson count. Ebebo no ankasa.
Wow.
Ontena. Because PSV are omo captain. Now I know a fan of not on the captain. But PSV have sold Nanu Madueke, one of their key players to Chelsea. If you are looking at key players on Maton to every team now, don't know so better to so they are and Sangare. And your consistent performance said here. Xavi Simons de Bema. And Xavi Simons have proven say not only as a number 8 or number 10, but Vetima was a deep line playmaker in a DM role. And these are the qualities I will expect to be. So if they sell even Sangare or Matononi Madueke, now we say so be PSV as well. They need this particular kind of players to sustain or more form for next season. And we do 2 games out now. Rabiot, or you're closer to agreeing with Juventus or better now. Difference in here. Manchester United they offer two table no so their man scan bro and salary ne bro there Juve e dey man no so but abrantie we enna me can say me just one my adre cause can see Allegri
man am minimum asam mia
yes only abrantie we relationship no eye sonko Rabio believe say the resurgence or the cool room or World Cup or they are far from this season in Nano. I can't get you of Allegri. It didn't also Jahon the call. The other part of the contract near say Rabio Mame on in terms of the contract for Sikasemo on nation. Also, when it says Kana Juventus de more mono, I was said. Because Juventus say more 7 million euros a year. All the add-ons can be back calculate I could do 9 million euros to 10 million euros. Maame no your man is city corner can of form kakra. I don't know how say the green light no be but as it stands only need towards renewing his contract at Juventus for 1 year. Then on be hunu de on be dey atoaso. Maame no try so betima convince the first kasemo age kakra fi Juventus so. But I feel say boy na nya na advance so betina Juventus due to Allegri. Unless bar last minute decision be mama me ne kase bia Man United for sika no yenkoje na emfa nkoyese ene na betima sesa no. But Rabiot looks more like Obetina e Juventus. During Timber, Arsenal 45-48 the coin. Abu Dhabi Oma Prato actually baby. Almost mon pay 55 bin famra. It 55 no Arsenal hwe ni mu say enye 55 say upfront 55. But we dey your money be in terms of add-ons, bonuses, or bon number of games. O yes say ya you na be keka na composition of the whole deal no akwakoye around 55 no. No dey akwa for almost spread no. Arsenal no going to pay straight setting there 45 and 55 and obechichim. And no ana mo hwe so mo ne team efe na yas best structure. Messi Mount Manchester United that so just can or Chelsea ayo madrin say we only go pre-season. Omo mpene wasa but Abu let me say something about these particular deals na amount for confusion almost Man United bet what to Kaisedo omo ntimi nto Chelsea wo ho. The truth of the matter na say as it stands Chelsea are much more closer signing Kaisedo than Manchester United will come in.
Oh okay.
Chelsea were upper hand. Man United, baby, Omujina says, man, who's a man for FFP. Realistically, last season, the same thing was said. But Manchester United spending 250 million euros. Yan fancy trim. But the other one, ma, I no cry about current Manchester United finance in India. Manchester United scared that so, and a club, like I said, generating for their transfers on Abu Dhabi, age na 120 million pounds. Now, last season, near Babylon, Anna Glazers, Ecobo Bosnia. Glazers no kobo obosia 300 million pounds say so man ko anoman ton Manchester United sa 300 million pounds no mo di ba be shem say team the front players na baby a Glazers na say no mo left who mo right it is to activate the 300 million pounds some front players na dey mo tuma dwuma nya adwuma it 129 na wase mo amode ye dey mo dey adwuma 129 mu no Eric Ten Hag pe goalkeeper Eric Ten Hag pe midfielder and also pe a top level striker. The Man United ebeto Messi Mount and omo kosoro ba for mo so omo sign Messi Mount ni nie. Abu o sign Messi Mount no for 55 na obe spread the kakra. O spread the kakra ska kakra betima ide abechire which means o betima nya bi di ato goalkeeper. No assign nya bi di ato striker kakra o ye dey ope. By so ko sign Moises Caicedo no for 80 na. Ska no saying na e ka wa chire because Brighton obeji ska no within 2 seasons. This say bia wo do nkomo na spread mo akwa na 80 riska say na e ka chire ama wo di bia kwakoto goalkeeper. Edi bia sakwa kwakoto another striker. And this train no important to him before pre-season. Pre-season na so no mo ba be shasi. Ana train no so mo to wi a depending on sales so many other deals they account wa. No mo they account so assistance financially Manchester United buying Messi Mount is a non-starter. E also mutimi sign.
Also mutimi sign.
Man United sign Caicedo. Forget about Man United signing a goalkeeper. Just a change of ownership ba.
Anyese bedding.
Wow.
Matthias Yepa.
It's Chelsea, baby. Chelsea just say the Caicedo deal no is for Chelsea's own to lose. Chelsea own to lose. Manchester United so guy or mount or no aso na be boa o. For music asem. O mount na emwa. Juventus hwe ni muso mbesa Abrante Feno Milenkovic Savic despite say Rabiot betina. Aka no 1 year. Omo hwe ni muso 40 million euros will be the deal. Abrante na nkasa person na Italy. Onye na adwin so be movie say. AC Milan any Chelsea awie 18.5 million pounds for Abrante a friend Loftus-Cheek.
SOMPA Sports.
Aden wa edi.
AC Milan zo mu di dwa bi o.
Omo ko fa Loftus-Cheek. So omo ji 70 million euros abu. Omo ji obi anim so omo ji 70 million euros.
Around there players bi wa. okay, me name there, but lost to she. Natural. Oh, and I was there. I was American. Apostles there. That lost to she. Natural. Just say, oh, there,
it's lost to she could be silent for a team of AC. Like James Madison, Leicester City say Tottenham was paying for £60 million, bra. Abu. I don't know what price you are saying.
I was not price now. Oh, why you know? Oh, me pay £60 million. Wow.
£60 million. Leicester say Tottenham was paying for, but Tottenham so omuntria more than £50 million. Abrante we nankasa personal terms there any problem between on and Tottenham was pay. He loved to play under coach Awaba in Nange and Neoma Betima Kuye di Amano. Newcastle out of the race not because you saw Muniska, but FFP says some kakre bi na ma Newcastle. I relax. Omo Tonelli for 70 million crown chair. So they are relaxed about the situation. They have other positions where they seek to make sure so Betima. Cesar Azpilicueta was signed 2 and over signed 2 years at the Inter Milan. Cesar Azpilicueta be signed 2 years at the Inter Milan. Or train green light from Chelsea to terminate the contract. That is the only thing I call more train. Or train green light, not terminating the contract.
Remember what we update you on Kylian Mbappe.
Abu Kylian Mbappe, the baby at the update we see, you know. A one they see here. New one beyond fan by. It's almost sorted out. PSG the idea or the map a Kawakate Kylian Mbappe here say, Bema a reply, Obekwana Abetina. Obetina they are extended. That is what PSG have told Kylian Mbappe.
Don't know the chances all movie this summer,
Abu, the chances is say all movie this summer no. Ejina 65, 35, 35 to stay in, 65 to move in. 65 in Ejina say Paris Saint-Germain sha. Omo mane tena do ko free omo aboka. Abu problem ni nyina no.
Abu only also person tena. No boss season back on you.
So tena so boss season ni area. Then he has to forget about the loyalty bonus no.
There no bit my Jashimwa.
And then I am many people play smart. And PSG are not willing to do them. Come say yes, see. PSG person Muriku Piscana on the top Paris, on the top. Kylian Mbappe free Monaco by Paris.
160 no.
160 no.
No Munyan Faso.
No Munyan Faso.
No Monsieur the Cope player.
No Monsieur the Cope player for photo.
Come about the wedding pal.
My men are debating my service situation.
On my passing media, my people Madrid. Or the Sana Madrid for you say, look about season review.
Madrid so I already say anytime I do never trigger be and they are ready to put in for their money no matter coach no matter kofa.
I mean what you have the dia as a PSG for your member but also your buy some contact Real Madrid. About as on your
there is you see on contact Real Madrid no one way or the other there is no iota of big truth in it.
Oh okay.
Now no make say Florentino Perez and Emir of Qatar they have a very strong bond almost closer relationship. The construction company here Jumani that discuss investment in be one ma Emir of Qatar so we've seen Florentino Perez go to Qatar, go and sit down with them, Omudi didn't come and the Emir of Qatar will call the shot on this party. That's why Kalafi might feel proud and arrogant, saying Florentino Perez in family so. But case in India, over two Florentino Perez were human. And the Emir of the kind of respect that Florentino Perez commands in this particular terrain. It doesn't matter your position at UEFA. He's the Don. Tine friend the Don. It's why only Emir Qatar will have to deal. Omu delivery na corner free Qatar ba wona say Khalifa. You have nothing to say. This is where it stands. It appears here negotiating. Luis Campos is trying his best. What do you say Mbappe to go for Luis Campos in the buy?
Yeah, me aware.
Or trying the best. So with Mama Branton. I don't know when you have been come for Bernardo Silva and number because in the mate to Monaco. I'm far away and this player the way Baba but Mbappe was disappointed in the last summer. Oh yeah, disappointed. Also Lewandowski and want me and sign players be or request and no press on kono besi akani and want me for mama.
Or no request player.
Oh yes.
Hey, footballers. Hey, how much is a kufubi when it's ya? Our home on the why sorry home.
So that is Mbappe for you.
Michael Akomeah Messiah.
Abu Dhabi.
Michael Akomeah Messiah.
Abu Dhabi.
And I just feel that's why.